In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. And the best part is just by using free traffic. Okay, I made $7,450 in commission just in one single month promoting Amazon affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to earn this commission, and I make like this commission every single month. Okay, anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate like this. Click on the first link like this. You will be directly in this page. Click on sign up and you will be again to this page. Scroll down and click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. You guys can see the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. It's gonna take just few minutes, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. So this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. You have promotion, tools, reports, your commissions here, summary, bounties, and so on. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable product that you should start promoting using Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our Amazon affiliate links to get commissions, okay, for free. So what you will do is you need to choose a good product. So how we can choose good products? So first you will go to Google and search for Pinterest like this, and click on this link over here. Sign up by using your email address. They will ask you if you want to open Pinterest business account or Pinterest personal account. Choose business account, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy and simple. So what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest trend like this. So what you will do next, click on the first link over here, Pinterest trend, and you will be directly in this page over here. So we will use Pinterest trend website to see what's trending, which products are trending. You cannot promote any product that you think it's gonna work or you think people will like it, will buy it from you. It doesn't work like this. You need to use Pinterest trend to see what's trending, which products people are searching for. Okay, so click over here and choose which country you want to target. If you want to target audience from United States, you can choose this one. You want to target audience from Canada, choose Canada, Italy, Spain, and so on. I will just leave it in United States. I will scroll down. You have here top trends in United States this month. Those are the products that are trending this month in United States. Okay, we have nails, we have home, a bedroom refresh, and if we click here, we have fashion, outfit ideas, we have summer nails. If we click here, we have hairstyle, wallpaper, and if we scroll more down, we can discover here the trends in United States. We can find more keywords. So let's choose one of those keywords. So we have here school outfit, fall. Let's choose this one. I think this one, you guys can see the graph of this keyword is just keep going up. I will click on this one here like this, and you will be directly in this page like this. Okay, so what you will do, you will scroll down and click over here on the date and choose past 3 months like this. Scroll down and you guys can see that the graph of this keyword is just keep going up, which is really good. So what we will do, I will copy this keyword, fall decor, and I will go to Amazon. Go to your Amazon account like this, click on the search and put this keyword here like this and search for this product. Okay, it's super easy and simple. So we are promoting product that people are searching for. So that's how we can earn commission. So scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, like for example this one, over 5,000 reviews. This one also is good. This one is good. We have also this one. So let's choose one of those products. For example, let me see. I will choose. Okay, so let's see. I think I will choose this one. This one also. This one is looking good. This product here. I will click on this product like this, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon like this. What you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest. So just open your Pinterest account like this and click over here on home feed. So just click here on home feed. Let me show you. Click on home feed and click on create pin. And you will be directly in this page. So let me see. This one is not, I'm not looking for this one. Click on home feed and click on create pin like this, and you will be directly in this page like this. So what you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon product page and you will copy this, you will click on this picture. First click on this picture products, okay, double click and click on, let me show you. So just double click on this picture and click on save image. You need to save this picture about this product to your laptop. Click on save and go back to your Pinterest account and click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account, this one. Okay, click on open, and here you go. You just need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So let's go back to this product page on Amazon and copy this title. You will copy this one, this part to show you. Go to Pinterest and put this title here, description. Go back to this Amazon product page, scroll down. So you should see here about this item. This is your product description. Copy this description like this. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. So go back to your Amazon, to this Amazon product page. So you guys should already create your Amazon affiliate account so you can start seeing like this bar in your Amazon account. Okay, Amazon associate site Stripe. So what you will do, you just need to click on text, and here you go. This is your affiliate link for this product. So just copy this affiliate link like this. Go to Pinterest and put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board, and if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend account, this one. Copy those keywords here. I will copy this one and put this keyword here. Go back to your Pinterest trend account, scroll down. You should see here related trends. Those are more keywords that you should use. Okay, copy all those keywords and put those keywords here. They are very important. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from Pinterest. So this will be your picture, your product picture. This is your Amazon affiliate link. This is your title, and this is your description. And you are promoting product that people are searching for. So you will promote a lot of products. Use Pinterest trend, see what's trending, what people are searching for, start promoting those products, double what's working, avoid what's not working, and you will earn your first commissions. If you stay consistent just in the first 2-3 months, you can start seeing commissions. Okay, and that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. If you are interested to see more videos like this about Amazon affiliate marketing, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods, new strategies that you can use to increase your commissions and make a lot of money every single month using free traffic, promoting Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more. See you in my next videos.